Hello traders, welcome back to our channel, the Learn and Earn channel. This is FX Ninja. I welcome you back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something very powerful, something very amazing, a game changer that is going to change the way you trade the market, the way you trade boom and crash. So I want you to pay very good attention to this video right now, because I'm about sharing with you something that will change the way you trade boom and crash. Go ahead right now and click on that subscription bell right now and the notification button, so that each time I drop amazing and powerful video like this, you will be the first to be notified. What we're about sharing with you today, it's a game changer, like I said, and it's something that is very common, is available on all MT5, and we are going to be using it to trade the boom and crash market. What I'm about sharing with you, this system can be used to trade any kind of asset, but today we are going to be using it to trade boom and crash. A lot of you knows about this tool, but you don't really know how to apply or how to use it in the market. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that. First off, we all know that this is boom and crash, this is boom 1000, and of course boom and crash is a trending asset. It's an asset that trends. So because of that, we want to trade with the trend, like a popular saying that says the trend is your friend. So quickly, before we dive into the tool properly, we want to know how to identify the trend first. How do we identify the trend? Because before you can use the tool, which is the Fibonacci tool, before you can use that tool, you need to first know what trend is the asset that you want to use it on. What trend is that asset on? Now this is crash 1000. We want to look at this crash 1000. Of course, we are having sideways here. So for us to know the trend of the market properly, let's check the higher time frame. Of course, this is a buying trend. Okay, this is a buying trend. Now what I'm about to introduce to you today, you can use it to either sell crash or buy crash. You can use it to either sell boom or buy boom. So let's go ahead and quickly use this. So from here, you will notice that the buy trend on crash 1000 started from here when it break this structure, the break of structure that was here. You can see there is a break of structure here that started the push up of the uptrend. So having known that this is an uptrend from this break of structure on the higher time frame, basically I can quickly turn to my my lower time frame and start picking up using the Fibonacci tool to start picking buy trades on crash 1000. All right, so what another thing we want to identify is that each time the market pulls back like this is the market pull back like this, also pull back like this over here. You want to make sure you take note of those pullback, and the pullbacks majorly at times they do pull back to the Fibonacci level, which is our area of interest. So we will never know until we apply the Fibonacci tool and use it to know if truly this is our area of interest. So let's looking at this and this. Of course, I'm a regular user of this tool. I know this is not a Fibonacci tool. It's not a Fibonacci level, sorry. So but let's check. If you draw your Fibonacci, if you don't know much about how to draw Fibonacci, okay, you can get some tutorial on YouTube, and very soon we are also going to be doing a video to that regard. Of course, it's a Fibonacci level. It's a Fibonacci level. If you look at my Fibonacci level, my settings is very simple. I have erased some things there, and of course I have the levels I'm using. I have 50, 61.8, and also 0.79. Those are the levels I'm using. So you want to change your own also to that, or you might just include the 0.79 level there. So if you look at this clearly, the price moved up. I want to okay, good. From here, price moved up, okay, crashed back down, all right, to our 50 level, and from here we can take a buy to the last and set our take profit to be at the last swing high, the last high, to be at the last high here. This will be our take profit, and of course you can see if we buy from here, it took our profit here. So having done that, that is one trade. Okay, don't forget this is the last level where we bought from. Okay, so using this, we are going to expect the market to also move up again and try also to crash back down. Maybe we can have it at our Fibonacci level. The crash that occurred from here was around this area. Okay, this was where the crash started from, around this area, and of course we will have bought the air and take our profits here. So from here also we can set our Fibonacci and see if this will be a level. Of course it's not. Of course it's not. So this is how Fibonacci is being used in a trending market. We are going to take more samples. Recently this evening we took a trade on Boom 1000, and how did that happen? You can see that there is a break of structure clearly over here. There is a break of structure here. Okay, there's a break of structure here. Boom 1000 broke upwards from this place, broke upwards, come back down to retest and moved up, but finally moved back down again. Okay, so because of this break of structure, it is already attracting buyers. It's already attracting buyers because wherever the market has broken into, there is a possibility of it still moving back there, because it's just like a magnet. It will continue to price will that side will continue to attract price. So that is what happened here. So having noticed this, that there is a break of structure and price came back in here, so we already knew that of course the uptrend is going to continue using our Fibonacci level up to this point. So by extension we can see what happened in the market from here. The uptrend started around here, reversed back to the 61.8 level, and if you look at this area very well, let's put it into a 5-minute time frame, you will notice that there is a W here, which tells you that this market is going to buy massively, and that is what really happened here. So price touched the 61.8, and of course it hit our take profit, which should be this area. Okay, this area, this will be our take profit, and that is it. So after hitting our take profit here, we also notice that price again, after hitting our take profit here, we also notice that after the spike up, price retraced back again. And what are we going to do? We are going to take the former level, the previous level, which is this level. This is a level, this is another one. So we are going to use the Fibonacci level to measure price again and expect price to come into our Fibonacci point. So we see that over here, price touching the 50 level and continue spiking up. So once you see price touching 50, you want to take your take profit here, so that price can correctly eat your take profit over there. So let's see how we can sell boom with this. Let's see how we can sell boom with this. Remember, I told you that all you need to do is find a level where there is a break of structure, just like what we have here. There is a break of structure here. There is a structure here that was being broken down, price reversed, and what happened? It later fell back again. So from here, where price broke the structure and goes back, then we can take our Fibonacci level, check for the previous high, which is this, not this again, which is this. This is our previous high. Okay, so we are going to take our Fibonacci and use it to measure it here. You can see price came back into our area of interest, which is the 50 level over here. Price came back in there, and what happened? This will be our take profits. Hold on, over here will be our take profits. Okay, so selling boom from here and take our profit here, you can see that it's so massive. So let's look at more opportunities. You can see we are using a 15-minute time frame. You can also use this on 5-minute time frame, depending on what you want. So you want to make sure that there is a structure in place first, and price broke that structure before you attempt this very strategy that we are using. All right, let's find another. Okay, there is a break of structure here. Of course, there is a break of structure here. You can see structure was being broken here. Very solid one. All right, so, and you can see the way price was moving up and up here. So though these levels, they are also Fibonacci levels. You can see from here down here, you see price came into our Fibonacci area and started climbing up. Let's see other pairs like Crash 500, for example. This is a very powerful strategy. Like Crash 500, for example. Let's see where we can get a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure here. Over here, structure was being broken here. All right, it was being broken here, retraced, finally broken down here. So we can take our previous our high from here, then wait for price to come back. Wait for price to come back into our level 61.8 and 50 level. Then you can see how price continue to crash down. And if here is our take profit, if this is our take profit, then the take profit was being smashed over here, but it took a lot of time because of the sideways movement of the market before the take profit was being smashed. So I can go on and on and on and on to show you different examples. So you want to go ahead and backtest this very strategy. But there is a good news I have for you. This after this video, we are going to be making up another video which I'm going to show you automatically what a tool that will be showing you if you are to buy, when to buy or when to sell here. A tool that will be showing you when to buy or sell from a Fibonacci level. Okay, a tool that will be telling you, okay, after the break of structure, then you can sell here or you can buy here. That you don't really need to identify all these things by yourself. Yes, you don't really need to identify them by yourself. The tool is going to show you what when you are going to enter. Like for example, here now, the tool is going to give you a pop-up arrow here to sell. Okay, and of course, once you sell from here, you already know this area is your take profit, and you can see the take profit was being taken powerfully. So this is how this system works. Look at what we have also here. there is a break of structure here. Okay, price broke down, comes back. So as it's coming back, you draw your Fibonacci level. Okay, you can see at our 61.8, price respected this and crashed back to come and hit our take profit over here. So in the next video that we are going to be doing, I'll be showing you the tool that will be giving you a confirmation arrow here for you to be able to sell and take profit here, even without you straining your eyes at all. So if you are interested in that tool, or if you want us to do that video, I want you to comment in the, I want you to put it in the comment section that we should do the part 2 of this video. So if you want the part 2 of this video, put it in the comment section and make sure you like this very video so that we can go ahead and do the part 2 of this video. You see this too? This is a Fibonacci level. After this break of structure downward, a retracement back to the 50 level, and you see that it hit our take profit nicely. This is how this system works. I can go on and on and on and on, and you will see that this works almost 98% of the time. Almost 98% of the time. This is a break of structure over here. Over here. All right. So we take our previous high, which is this. All right. You see that it comes into our 61.8, 0.79. What happened? It crashed down and down. So this is how this very system works. So if you want us to show you the automatic tool that will tell you when to sell or when to buy, put it in the comment section. Click the like button on this video, and very soon, once we have those likes and we see your comments, we will make a video on the automatic tool that is going to show you how to use this to kill the market, to take as much profit that you want. Go ahead right now, subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be making more videos on boom and crash. Till I come your way again, I am FX Ninja from the Learn and Help channel. Bye for now.